Holy fuck. I wonder if we're gonna get broken windows or anything.
Yeah, I didn't go far on. I was actually thinking about it because it's so warm.
My God, you'd be destroyed in this. I knew there was something about this sky. It was giving a weird color. This is ridiculous.
Oh.
Wow. I wish we didn't have the screen in the way. I'd take a better shot. I'm gonna get some out the front door. Give me a second. I know. Oh wow, this is even better! Holy cow, come here! Look at these! Look at that! No! Look at that. Holy shit. Look at this. Hold this. Look at that one.
Oh my God! That's gonna ruin some car finishes.
Yeah, I know. That is ridiculous. Hailstorm 2011, Thunder Bay. This is going up on YouTube.
So that's like an inch wide.
It is like an inch wide, look at that. That is huge. It's getting inside here, I gotta close this.
There. Here.
Wet hands. That's crazy, I've never seen something like this. I'm missing my wine. 1 second. Glad I took the day off. I would have missed this. I would have been inside for it. Holy shit. I know, Pinky. It's okay. I'm uploading this immediately. This has to go online. Oh, it looks like cottage cheese.
That's just really
Mostly. Wow. That is something else. Look at that. Wow. Smile, Pinky. What do you think of the hail, Pinky? Alright, that's the end of it. Just pissing down rain now. Alright, 4 minutes, that's pretty good.